Check out these 8 super lazy ways to make money online from anywhere in the world thanks to AI. These 8 methods will make you tons of money, and you don't get to actually do any work. I'm talking about how to generate passive income without having a website, with no previous experience, and with minimal expertise required. So grab a seat and watch till the end. The first easy way to generate passive income is through social media engagements. For this method, we will use a website called Like4Like. It's a website that helps you grow your social media accounts. It all happens through social media engagements, which you can then exchange with other people. For example, you can like other people's Facebook or Instagram posts, which will earn you credits. You can then exchange these credits for likes or follows on your own social media accounts. Now this is where things become more fun and profitable. You can install a Like4Like bot on your browser that will generate the likes automatically for you. This takes the hassle from your hands completely because the bot will do the clicking, but you still earn the credits, which you can exchange for engagements on your social media accounts. By doing this consistently, you can grow your accounts, and you can sell them off on platforms like FameSwap. So, you create an account on Instagram, grow it to have thousands of followers by using Like4Like, and sell it for up to $100 or even more. If you will visit FameSwap, you will see lots of people making money by selling social media accounts. Another easy way to make money passively is Shorts to Cash. In this method, you leverage YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok videos. This method is guaranteed to generate income for you in thousands of dollars in a month if you're consistent. It starts with you going to a website named Clickin' Shorts, and you can generate several YouTube Shorts just by clicking a button. All you need to do is upload a long YouTube video, and Clickin' Shorts will cut it into several short videos. You simply take these videos and upload them all over social media. With time, these videos generate traffic to your account, and you can use this traffic to promote affiliate products. For example, this YouTube course Tube Mastery made me more than $3,000 only in the last 7 days. You can check the link in the description for more info. The third way to make passive income with AI is through AI-powered website design. This is actually one of my favorites. Head to Durable, which is an AI website, and you can build a website from scratch in just a couple of minutes. All you need is to enter the information on how you want your website to look and what you want to do on the website, and the AI will generate your website for you. There are many ways to make money with this, but I'll discuss just 2. First, you can offer your service as a website developer on freelance platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. You can make anywhere between $400 to $2,000 for building just one website, and all these without you actually typing a word of code. Another way is to build a website for yourself, where you can start a business like dropshipping or even start a blog. If you choose a blog, select a profitable niche, and I advise you to choose between finance, health, relationship, or psychology. Then go to ChatGPT and ask it to create 20 topics on that niche, and each day, you ask it to write an article on 1 or 2 of those topics. Post these articles on your blog daily, and as traffic increases to your website, you can monetize it by running Google Ads. The next lazy way to make money online is passive tube profits. In this method, you create passive income for yourself through YouTube ads. The trick is to create long videos, like 10 minutes or longer. There are many AI tools available for you to create these kinds of videos, so you don't have to record yourself, and you don't need to show your face. Good news for introverts. One AI website you can use is Script AI, which is an AI website that can create professional YouTube scripts for you once you give it a topic. ChatGPT and Jasper AI would also work perfectly. Once you have the script, head to AI websites like 11 Labs to generate a human-like voice for your script. You just need to paste the text on the website, and voila. Once you've added the voice, head to lumen5.com, which is a website that edits videos using AI. That also saves you the hassle of editing the video yourself. And there you have a complete video for your YouTube channel. The next way is AI-enhanced proofreading. In this way, we will use the website People Per Hour. This is a website where people pay up to $40 for you to proofread their texts. So if you can proofread and edit their texts for them, you can earn $40 for each text. But here's the best part. You don't have to proofread or edit the text yourself. You can simply use the ChatGPT for that. Just give ChatGPT a prompt like, fully proofread this text, and correct grammar and spelling errors, and add the text. ChatGPT will do the work in a minute or less. This means you can deliver your service much faster, and probably even cheaper, which will attract even more clients. And all at no cost to you, because ChatGPT is free. So for example, you can charge between $25 to $35 and still not feel like your income isn't worth your imputed effort, since you did nothing really. Up next, on this list of super lazy ways to generate passive income is the lazy transcribe method. To start, visit rev.com and go to freelancers. There are tons of jobs available on the website, and they offer flexible work hours and weekly payouts. This website only offers jobs in transcribing, captioning, or subtitling. But our focus is transcription, which basically means you are given an audio file or a podcast for you to listen to, and they pay you between 30 cents and $1 for every minute of the audio that you transcribe. So you get an audio file, listen to it, and write exactly what was said in the audio. While the pay rate may seem low, imagine you get a 50-minute-long audio. That means you can earn up to $50. Okay, fine. This still isn't some jaw-dropping figure, but I'm not done. I haven't talked about how AI comes into the picture. The truth is, we now have many AIs that can transcribe better than you can, and they're way faster than you too. One of them is Rhythmex, and you only need a few clicks, and you have the transcribed text ready. It will be better to go through ChatGPT and check for grammar mistakes, but that's super easy and fast. While Rhythmex isn't free, it only costs $10 a month, and you can make way more than that. In fact, by transcribing just one 50-minute audio, you'll make 5 times more. Moving on. The next super easy way to create passive income for yourself with AI is through podcast editing. First, you create an account on freelance platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer, and you set up your gig displaying your service as a podcast editor. On freelance platforms, you'll find that people are actually paying to get experts to edit their podcasts for them, and you can charge as much as $40 for this service. Normally, most clients have to wait for about 2 to 3 days to get their edited podcasts. Thanks to AI, you don't need to be an expert to offer this service. Just simply head to Clean Voice, which uses AI to edit podcasts. And with a few clicks, you have the finished piece. And as with everything that AI does, all these happen in a couple of minutes. Then you can simply submit the file to your client. You can give yourself an even more competitive edge over the competition by charging slightly lower, so you now have the advantages of being both cheaper and faster. Afterward, go to kit.co. Kit.co is a platform for creating and sharing curated collections of products called kits. Users can select and organize items from online retailers to showcase their favorite or recommended products. Kits can be customized based on specific interests and include images, descriptions, and purchase links. With these tools, you can now create a kit, so each kit will be named after each of the niches ChatGPT created for you with the different products under them. Note that the more items you add, the more money you can make, as you will earn a commission from each purchase made from your kit store. And the best part? You don't have to sign up for other third-party affiliate networks. You can also use Canva to make an advert video with AI-generated pictures to make an excellent marketing strategy. You can also go to Pinterest to drop this video there to help you get more engagement on your account, which means more money. With this, you can enjoy your vacation while making a great passive income. Want to stay updated on the latest AI-driven money-making strategies? Subscribe to our channel for more insightful content and practical tips. Don't keep this valuable information to yourself. Share it with your friends and fellow aspiring entrepreneurs. See you in the next video.